Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. It is a beautiful Sunday morning. You join me in the place that I was scared last time because I was left alone with said lorry driver. Well, I'm left alone again with said lorry driver. But I managed to survive last time, and I'm sure I'm going to survive this time. That sun is blinding. Right, I'll see you after the intro, and we'll see what's going on. So today's date is the 14th of August 2022. It is my wedding anniversary. So to start the video off, I'd like to give a big shout out to my beautiful wife Kaylee, and a massive thank you for putting up with me for 8 years. That's 8 years married. We've been together 11 years. But I've come out on the bike for a couple of hours because we've not been out for ages with the guys or anything. It's felt like weeks since I've seen everybody. And I think we're going to have a special guest joining us today as well. But we've had the biggest cock up already, and that's because of communication. Me and Moisty were meant to meet up with each other, and we said that we'd meet at a petrol garage where we met up last time. I've gone to one place, he's gone to another. Luckily we're only about 20 minutes apart, so he's coming to meet me now, and then we're going to take a ride up to Uttoxeter, up to the Staffordshire Bikers Breakfast, where we're going to meet Crazy Legs on a bike, Fasty rides, and Neil. We're going to go to the Autobright stand. We're going to go see Dale and give him a load of abuse for riding the Tiger. Love you, Dale. So guys, stay tuned, and I hope you enjoy it. Let's get on the road. Well, let's wait for Moisty first. I think I hear SHOEI coming. Oh no, it wasn't SHOEI. Oh well. So here's a bike. Here he is. Hey. Moisty in his beautiful new mesh jacket.
How's it going, mate?
It's going really well. How are you? Yes, lad.
Better now than you.
Yeah, you're good to go. That's a bit of a nasty one. And this. Oh, look at that view. I was going around it and I just thought, this is getting tighter. This is getting tighter. Oh, we're in a 30. Yeah. That's biker pics, that is. Right, so where the f are we going then? Is it down there? Oh, all the way around, mate. Yeah, yeah. I was like, where are they? Oh shit, there, yeah. Fucking hell, mate, there's loads of them here. Right guys, we are here at the bikers breakfast. So I've got my drone with me, I'm going to get it up in a minute. Yeah, that's what I was scared about going over the bumps, because I thought there's nothing else in the top box apart from my drone. I thought that's not going to end well. So guys, we're at the Staffordshire bikers breakfast, and already it's starting to get really busy. Obviously brought the drone with me. I'm going to try and get some drone footage, but because of how many bikes are still coming in at the moment, I want to get the drone up when it's completely full. Quite a few bike stands. I hope the audio is okay on this. Very warm though. Just waiting for Jay, Fasty and Neil, and obviously Moisty's nephews. Hopefully they'll be turning up quite soon. Absolutely amazing. So guys, me and Sai stood out in this sun for over an hour waiting for Jay to come. As you can see, using the buff to keep the sun off my head because it is red hot. But look who's here.
I've not got one.
Who's that?
I've got one out when we get to Wenham Mills.
He's back.
I'm back, only for today though.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
Only for today, mate.
Got Neil. And we've also got Moisty's nephew just over there. And then we've got this person here as well. I don't know who he is.
What's with the camera? You don't think you're a motor vlogger?
I'm not.
Oh, hang on, hold on.
I'm just a stalker.
It's recorded, isn't it?
I can't have a video without him doing that, can I? Hundreds and hundreds of bikes here. CMX Honda Rebel. Potentially one of the bikes that Kay might be looking at getting. Quite a few little stands here. Hundreds of bikes, and you can't take me anywhere. I went for an ice cream. I don't know if you can see that. Look at that bubblegum juice straight down my white top. That ain't gonna come out. So guys, Staffordshire bike meet. Think now there's loads of people here, loads of people. I'm not 100% sure on how the footage and the audio will have come out on the vlog camera. Obviously I haven't got an external microphone for that. But we have Crazy Legs, Fasty Rides, Neil, and we also have Simon's nephew and his friends. And now we are going to go to Wetton Mill. Oh god, my jeans are stuck to my legs. Oh, flipping heck. Mate, my jeans are so stuck to my legs I can't even get my legs over my bike. Hiya! I ain't got no comms with you. Now waiting for Jay and that to come out. Right. Yeah, they're out. Hi Jay. So this is the first time that I'm meeting Jay on his beautiful Ducati, and he's going to get done by an Africa Twin here, look. The Ducati got done by this Honda. Yeah, go on, I'll hold back a little bit. Oh, you got to turn right here, I've got to turn left. Bye! You had one job. One job! Oh, it's a bit busy. Slightly concerned as to where they are. Yeah, you. Down the hill. I couldn't hear you, mate. Yeah, cheers for that, lads. Which way you? Yes. Yeah, I'm going right. Mate, it was great to see you.
See you later.
Yeah. And I'll see you next weekend, yeah?
Ride safe, sorry about your little...
You hurt me.
I didn't mean to.
You hurt me.
I'm sorry.
That's fine.
Winded you,
See you later, right? And you boys? You will do. Yes, you will. I will do. Don't let Simon lead. So guys, yeah. Just left them. They're carrying on up to Monash to go and have a nice drink. And then they'll be setting off. Obviously I've got to get home for Kay. It is our wedding anniversary, I'll do. And I don't want to take the piss too much, I've already took the piss a little bit. But it has been amazing to be out on the bike again. Having a great laugh with the lads. Been a beautiful, beautiful day. Obviously I'll see the lads next weekend. I believe we're going on to the Motor Moguls subs ride out again. So I'll see the lads then. And yeah, I think I'll record this one this time though.
Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. I hope you stay safe. And I hope to see you out there. I'll see you in the next one.